She reminds him that she can shut down the project at any time, but their conversation is suddenly interrupted by another emergency. On the ship, Galt confronts William about the medal, because he knows this belongs to whoever is the current ship captain. William admits he had an affair with Lorelei, but he didn't kill her. At that moment, Stokes shows up holding Nora hostage. He insists he was set up, and that someone had been in his working room during the storm because he saw a footprint that wasn't there before. Suddenly the airlock opens on its own, so Galt takes advantage of the distraction to tackle Stokes while William takes Nora into another room. Galt and Stokes are fighting over the gun, but as the airlock opens wider, Galt opts to hold onto the wall while Stokes is sucked into space. After lots of falling, Stokes is shocked to land on an inflated mattress, where a bunch of people put him to sleep and take him away. Warren is watching from afar with Harris, who promises he has everything under control. It turns out Ascension is a simulation, and the ship is kept inside a building to study how viable it is to do this mission for real. Nobody in the ship knows the truth. They all think they're in space thanks to the star screens on the windows and the random space incidents Harris causes with machines to keep up the illusion. Stokes is put through a bunch of tests, then he's locked up like a crazy man. Sometime later, Warren sends Samantha, a security consultant that will keep an eye on things because she doesn't think Stokes did it and there's a murderer on the loose. Meanwhile, one of the many generator rooms, a mysterious person sets up a bomb and writes "No future" on the wall. Moments later the bomb explodes near the Terra lab. Some workers get hurt, but thankfully there are no casualties. Harris and Samantha see the explosion from outside and have to step back when the ship vents the flame. Galt, William, and Duke find the "No future" graffiti and decide to tell everyone the explosion was an accident. Samantha tries to talk to Stokes, but he attacks her and refuses to answer any questions after she's rescued by the guards. Later Samantha meets with Warren to tell her Harris is saying the explosion is an accident, but she can tell he's lying. She also thinks there's more going on here than a sociological experiment. Warren confirms she sent Samantha because she wants her to discover the truth behind the experiment, and investigating the murder is just a convenient excuse. Galt keeps on investigating because he also thinks Stokes is innocent.